Hello everyone. Here I am with amazing dessert, instant coconut poli. It will be very puffy and soft. Tastes so yummy even kids will enjoy. You can use dry coconut, fresh coconut or desiccated coconut powder. On a healthy note, prefer fresh coconut first, then dry, and then desiccated one. Coconut polis with dry or fresh coconut will be brownish due to outer brown shell. Desiccated powder polis will be light brownish. You can see how soft it is to roll. I'm going to show how you can make it softer with wheat flour and few drops of oil or ghee. Here is why it's special. It's instant, no need to make any syrup, no cooling down time, no sugar. I'm going to use jaggery, no maida or all-purpose flour. I'm going to use wheat flour and I'll be using very few drops of oil or ghee. Let's get started. First, let's prepare stuffing mix. This is dry coconut. Slice the coconut into thin pieces. You can do the same for fresh coconut too. You can dry roast coconut on stove top or in air fryer. For stove top way, dry roast coconut pieces on hot pan. Keep mixing in the middle. Roast on medium flame. For air fryer way, place coconut pieces on air fryer tray. Insert tray in middle row. Air fry at 320 Fahrenheit for 1 minute. My air fryer model Instant Vertex Plus preheats for around 4 minutes first. This takes around 5 minutes total time. Coconut will be roasted well without monitoring. Grind the pieces into fine powder. Or you can use the desiccated powder. Add 1 cup of desiccated coconut powder on hot pan. Dry roast until it gets light brownish color. Keep mixing to avoid overburn. For half a cup coconut powder, we need 3/4 cup of jaggery. Now grind jaggery along with coconut powder. Add little more jaggery if you like extra sweet. Make sure to grind to fine powder. This is more important. Otherwise, little coarse powder is going to tear the poli. If you notice, shredded coconut or small jaggery lumps will also come out of the poli while rolling. Stuffing mix can be stored for over 1 week outside. Let's prepare dough. Add 2 cups of wheat flour in a bowl. Add quarter teaspoon salt. Mix flour and salt. Add water slowly. Keep kneading by adding little water as needed. 2 cups of flour needs around 3/4 cup of water. Knead to soft dough. Soft dough helps to roll nicely with stuffing. Grease with few drops of oil on top. Cover and rest it for 10 minutes. Now dough is ready for rolling. You can store dough in fridge for 2 days in box. Make small balls. Dust little flour. Roll small roti. You can use small bowl for base while stuffing. Seal the edges carefully. Take out the extra dough on top. Roll into thin poli gently without much pressure. Make sure poli doesn't stick. With dusting the flour, you should be able to lift the poli. If dough is too hard, won't stretch while rolling. The soft dough is the key. Or you can use hand as a base while stuffing. Finely browned stuffing mix and soft dough helps to roll poli nicely. Now heat the pan on medium flame. Add few drops of oil or ghee. Add few drops of oil or ghee on top if needed. Puff the poli with slotted spatula. Fry poli 2 sides. Once done, to keep them more softer, place in hot pot. The best thing is, instead of deep frying for coconut stuffed varieties, try this way to roll and fry on pan. Enjoy this delicious coconut poli with your family. Hope you like my tips and recipe. See you again with many more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.